Welcome back, Modified Crew. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get your vehicle shipped or picked up from Copart, okay? So let's say you want your vehicle from Copart, or you're just interested on how the process works. You are in the right place. All right, so let's say you want to ship your vehicle, okay? There's a couple options that I would suggest doing. If you are not anywhere near or local to the vehicle, I would suggest using UShip. They are a great provider of shipping services, and what you do is you go ahead and fill out a listing, right, for a car. You fill it out, provide all the necessary information, and different transporters, auto transporters and shippers and things like that will actually bid against each other to get you the best rate. So it's pretty much privately contracting your own shipper. You get great rates, usually typically better than just going with a standard, just picking one off a list or something like that. So I highly suggest checking out UShip. Keep in mind, the more in advance that you plan on getting an estimate and a more exact date of the pickup of the vehicle, you're gonna get more competitive bids because there's gonna be more people that have more time to plan, fit it into their shipping schedules and things like that. So utilize UShip, plan ahead, and you will get the best rate as far as shipping your vehicle. I have used them multiple times, very happy with the results, great pricing, and very competitive. So definitely check out UShip. Now, let's say you are local to your vehicle and you don't have a truck, or you do have a truck and you have no way to move the car. Check out my friend Uhaul. I know that it's like, oh, just moving trucks. No, or rent out more than just moving trucks. They rent out pickups and tow dollies as well, or auto transports. So you can utilize them. Here is an estimate based upon my area, and it's very competitive, guys. We got a 10-foot truck, or you can do a pickup for about the same. 8-foot pickup, it's pretty much the same price, guys. So you're looking at $19.95 for the vehicle. An auto transport is going to be $54.95. Now, why is the auto transport more? Well, there's no mileage listed on the auto transport, but there is for the pickup truck, guys. Okay, so if you look at here, right here, it says plus 59 cents per mile. You're looking at $19.95 plus 59 cents a mile, and then also the cost of $54.95 on top of that, and then any taxes that might be applicable. So, you know, for about $100, if you're fairly local to your Copart location like I am, you can pick up your vehicle, go ahead and, you know, take care of the shipping yourself. Great way. You know, if you don't want to go through the hassle, or if you're just worried about driving an auto transport truck, understandable, then you can utilize UShip, and they have, you know, shipping rates for local shipping as well. All right, let's say you are going to pick up the vehicle yourself. If it's not in rolling condition, there's a few things that you might need. I would highly suggest checking out the following. If you're near a Harbor Freight, always a great place to pick up tools that you're not going to use very frequently, just so you have them. It's always nice to just have a tool. If you need it once, you're usually going to need it more than once. All right, so I would suggest checking Harbor Freight for some vehicle dollies or wheel dollies. These are great because if, let's say, you have broken suspension, the wheels turned, or anything like that, you really don't want to be causing more damage trying to force a vehicle. Whereas if you throw it on a couple of these bad boys, you can wheel it around. $56 is going to be a lot cheaper than bending something else, fenders, whatever it may be. I highly suggest picking them up. If you are not near Harbor Freight, Amazon is my best friend. They are very competitive. They don't really have one that's highly rated for a competitive price, but I'll put it in a link for you down below. Well, the other thing I would suggest is getting a tire inflator. A lot of these vehicles, when they sit for a long time or may have had a puncture, having a tire inflator handy is a great way to make sure you can roll the vehicle around. Let's say the vehicle, you know, can move forward or backward, but it has a flat tire. You don't want to be damaging the tire even more. It just might be low on air, whatever means. You would want to have something like this. I have this one personally. It was a great buy. It works wonderfully. I highly suggest it. It's also highly rated on Amazon as well. Description is going to be in the link below. Third item I would highly suggest having with you is that jump starter. We checked it out when we inspected the vehicle. Also, if your vehicle's not going to start due to a dead battery, you're going to need this when you want to wheel it off the dolly or just move it around when you are at your drop-off location. They'll put it on your vehicle transport or auto transport trailer for you with a forklift, but you got to get it off yourself. So when it comes to getting it off, having a jump starter handy is another great buy. I have this one personally. Love it, have had zero problems. It's highly rated on Amazon and also very competitively priced. Description on this one is listed below. So anyways, if you guys are looking to ship or pick up your vehicle, that's pretty much all you need to know. Guys, I am so excited to tell you that this is pretty much the last tutorial for the Copart segment. Next up, I'm going to show you the new vehicle that I have. The build is starting next video coming up next week. Stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, please do so, and I will see you on the next one.